Hey guys, Daniel here from Rushfaster, and today on the channel we are checking out the Aer Travel Pack 2 and its little buddy, the Dopp Kit. First, a little bit about Aer. Aer is a carry company based in San Francisco who originally started crowdfunding a gym and office bag and have now become a complete carry brand. They make some awesome gear and this pack is no exception. This pack, for me, is my perfect travel bag. So let's get into having a look at this pack. Firstly guys, the hardware on this pack is second to none. Starting with the material that's made from, it's made from a 1680D Cordura. It's a ballistic Cordura that's made for the US Army initially and now has come through into a lot of bag brands. But 1680D Cordura is one of the better fabrics that you can make a pack like this from. All the buckle hardware is made from a lightweight and durable Duraflex plastic, and all the zips on here are YKK zips, which is the best zip brand in the world and definitely something that's important for bags. The stitching looks of really high quality, very neat. There's not many loose threads or anything on the bag. Actually, there's not any. It looks quite perfect. So the build's really good. The materials that they're using are really good as well. So let's take a look around the bag. Starting from the front panel here, we've got a weatherproof YKK zip on the front with a bit of a little zip hole here as well. That's a really smooth, chunky zip, so you're not gonna have a problem with that zip at all. Got a little tab here to use when pulling the zip across, so they've thought of that. That's one big main pocket here in the front. If we check out the sides, we've got these two compression straps here on the side. Bit of an Aer branding down here, which is quite cool. On the other side, we have the compression straps again, and then we have this gusseted water bottle holder. So you can put your water bottle in like that. This is a Kento water bottle. That's pretty cool. One of my favorite ones, actually. Come on, focus, guys. You can do it. Focus, focus, focus. You're killing me. Maybe if I go slowly again. Oh my god. Anyway, water bottle holder. Also on this side we have a grab handle here, quite a heavy duty one as well, a little padded grab handle in there, sewn in very neatly as well. On the back panel here, we have two quite thick contoured straps. Got the sternum strap here as well, no lumbar strap. A few D-rings here just in case you need them. And then we have also the tension locks here as well. As you adjust these straps, we've got a little elastic here to hold these straps in so they're not all flappy. Cool. If we look at the back panel here, we've got two padded mesh strips here. We've got a grab handle in the middle, and we've got a little channel here for airflow, which is a nice design element. So quite a good high quality back panel here. Sternum strap is of course removable if you don't want to have it. If you don't want to have it on there or you don't want to use it, you can take that off. So this is the bottom of the bag. We've got this little zippered section here, which is actually used to put your shoes in. You can put your shoes in there. Quite a nice addition to a travel bag. That's basically the exterior of the bag. A lot of the zips, they are lockable. So you can see that zip has a hole in the middle that these line up to, so you can put a padlock through that. It's a lockable front section there and also a lockable main compartment. This is the front compartment here. It's basically an organizer section. You have at the bottom of the bag two pockets down here. Obviously you can put stuff in here. And you've got two pockets, a few little pockets here for organization, one stretchy one, and then we have this zippered section. It goes down to the end of this panel. Then we've got a little key holder here as well. A sleeve section here, which goes down to about here on the bag. So down to about here. And that'd be good for an iPad or something like that. Maybe even a thin laptop or whatever you want to put in there. So that's the front compartment. Super smooth zips, they're beautiful. Take these compression straps off and open the main compartment to the bag. So the zip goes all the way around. Let's just remove my padding. So this is the shoe compartment that I was talking to you about before, that you have access from the bottom of the bag. If you're not using that, that just can roll up like that or just lie flat. Basically, this is the main section of the bag, one big main compartment. If I just spin this around. Then on the other side, we've got this mesh pocket here and another pocket in here. So pretty good organization, definitely enough space in here. If you're a bit of a minimalist, maybe a week-long trip, otherwise a couple of days, this bag's going to last you quite well. Obviously it's a carry-on bag. If you don't want to check in your luggage, then if you can fit everything into here, it makes traveling a little bit easier and a little bit faster. Cool, so that is the front compartment that we've gone through, and then the main compartment in here. Then we have another compartment here at the back with another weatherproof zip, if you can see that. And this is the laptop section of the bag. So you can grab your laptop, put it in there. It's quite a padded section. And you can see how a 15-inch MacBook Pro fits in there. So definitely lots of space for pretty much any laptop on the market, I'd say these days. Maybe not the big gaming 17-inch ones, but most laptops would fit in there just fine. It's padded on the bottom as well, padded on the back. So a nice laptop compartment. It's good to position the laptop right next to your back, because usually the laptop is one of the heaviest parts of your carry, and it's good to have that close to your back to reduce strain on your back. Let's have a look at these compression straps. So once you pack the bag out, you can definitely put those compression straps in there to hold things nice and close to your back. Yeah, and that'll pack down quite nicely. So on the top of the bag, we've got that big chunky padded grab handle, and then the other zip there. And that zip's good for storing your sunnies or your phone or something like that. Nice easy access zip at the top there, super smooth, very padded handle, which is great. In terms of capacity and weight, this is a 33-litre backpack and it weighs 1.68 kilograms. So not bad. In Australia, I think we have, by default, I think it's a 7 kilo weight limit, and you can pay for a 10 kilo. So 1.68 is not too bad for a backpack as durable as this. Yeah, guys, that is the Travel Pack 2. It's the second version of their Travel Pack, obviously, as the name indicates. So that means they've gone through and they've made some adjustments to their initial design. To tell you the truth, I mean, this is my ideal weekend or maybe 1 week going away bag. If I'm packing really light, let's say for a summer sort of holiday, something like that, easily I can fit everything into here, jump on the plane, jump off the plane, don't have to wait for luggage. It's going to fit in the overhead compartment nice and easily. It's super durable and I have no problems with this bag. I don't think that's going to break anytime soon. I think this is one of those bags. You know how there's sometimes there's these bags that they're going to break, right? But this bag looks like you could be using that for 20 years, no problem, I would say. I mean, obviously no one's used it for that long just yet because it's a newish sort of bag, but everything on this bag looks high quality and looks like they've really thought about it well, designed it well, and built it well. So it's one of those bags that you invest in and it's going to serve you for a long time, and that's everything that we stand for here at Rushfaster. High quality gear means the world to us, and this is one of those bags. So if you're looking for a travel bag, you've got the money to spend on this bag, this is going to be a great investment. Definitely a bag that I'm going to use on my next trip, something that I recommend you check out if you're in the market for this bag. So that's the Travel Pack 2 from Aer. Check the links in the description to figure out where you can get that. And now let's check out the little Dopp Kit, which I got with this bag for my travels. So I thought it's good to have something that matches. Let's check this one out. This is the Dopp Kit from Aer up close. And my focus. So this is the Dopp Kit from Aer, and on the front we have just a little pocket here. We've got a waterproof zip there at the front. It's made out of the same material. On the back, we've got a grab handle sewn in quite nicely, very heavy duty. On the side here, we've got a little Aer branding and design in San Francisco. Then on this side, we have a little loop. Cool. So on the front compartment, we've got a couple of loops in here to maybe put toothbrushes in, stuff like that. Little mesh pocket in here. takes up about half of the internal capacity. I think this whole thing is about a 2.9 litre capacity. On this side, we have 2 little pockets here, some more looping here to maybe put shampoo, conditioner and stuff like that. Hold that in there. So there's the looping in there. And then on this side, the little mesh pockets. So all around, quite a nice little toiletry kit, Dopp Kit. Looks really good, matches this backpack as well, so it's a nice little travel kit. But yeah, this is gonna be my new toiletry bag. This is the Aer Travel Pack 2 and the Aer Dopp Kit. Check out the links below in the description. We've got links in there for you. Comes highly recommended from the team here at Rushfaster, and we will see you guys in the next one.